Hi guys, welcome to RPA Stuff. In this video we are going to create a bot that will read XML configuration file. You must have seen many videos and articles where using XML package, config variable values were obtained. However, for adding any new variable we have to make changes to the bot, and the same bot cannot be reused for any other process where the variables are different. This video will provide a solution that can be reused and will need 0 to minimum changes for adding new variable. I will be using following XML config file as example. All XML tags associated with variable are present inside the parent node config. Please note that the bot we are designing is only reusable if the parent node holding all values is same for bots, irrespective of child tags present inside. Now let us create a task bot. I will name it as read config. Search for XML package and drag and drop XML start session action. Create a string variable to store config file path and mark it as input value. You can give a default value if needed. Select the data source as desktop file in action properties and specify the config path variable. Let's add XML in session 2. We will place all other actions between these two steps. Now select XML get multiple nodes action. As you know, in our XML file, parent node is config and all variable associated nodes are child nodes. So to read them all I will specify xpath as a / config followed by /*. Asterisk is wildcard values. Select get node as xpath expression. Now take a loop action. Select iterator as each node in XML dataset. To store the xpath in each iteration, create a string variable xpath and specify it in loop action. Now search for XML package and drag and drop get single node action inside loop. In xpath expression section, add xpath variable. Now create a variable named tag value of string type to store output of the get node command. Our next step is to extract the node name from xpath, so that we can use it as key while storing the node values in dictionary variable. To do this, search for string, extract text action. Enter source string as xpath. In before section, enter config /. Now create a variable named tag name to store extracted node name. To store this extracted node names and values, we need a dictionary variable of string type. Create dictionary variable named config value. Check use as output checkbox. Now search for dictionary package in action pane. Drag and drop dictionary put action. Choose the dictionary variable config value. In key section, specify variable tag name. And in value section, specify variable tag value. We have completed read config bot. Now we can call this module while developing any bot that requires configuration file. Before we move ahead, please hit the like button. Share this video with your peers and subscribe to the channel. Now let us create a task bot to test our module. I will call it as main bot. For easier understanding, we will define steps in this bot. Drag and drop step action, name it as reading config. Now search for task bot and drag and drop run bot action. Select the module we created in first half of session. Check the input value checkbox and enter the configuration file path. Now create a dictionary variable to store output from the run task. I will name the variable config value. Now map the config value variable of mainBot to the config value variable of read config bot. Let us create all variables that we want to read from XML file. Search for dictionary package, select dictionary, assign action. Select source dictionary variable as config values variable. Now click on add variable mapping. We will specify variable to corresponding key of dictionary variable. For example, here name key corresponds to name variable. Similarly map all other keys to respective variable. Let's have a separate step for main code. To see if all values were extracted accurately from XML file, we will use message box. Now let us run the bot and see the output. As you can see, our bot ran successfully and has extracted all values correctly. Now let us see how easily we can read the new variables added to the config file. To test this, I will edit the config file and add extra child node, that is address. To accommodate this change, there is no need to touch our read config bot. I will just create the address variable of string type and add new variable mapping inside dictionary assign activity. Now we will add the new variable to the message box and run the bot. As you can see, our bot ran successfully and has extracted all values correctly. Similarly, you can add as many variables as you want, and all you have to do is to map the variable in dictionary assign action. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.